What's up, YouTube? As you can tell by the title and the name on the box, I have a Glock pistol here. This is actually the first Glock pistol I've ever purchased. This isn't an unboxing video. I've actually had this one for a short while now, and I've carried it inside the waistband on a few occasions. With that being said, I want you guys to pause the video and post down in the comments what model Glock do you think that this is. I'll give y'all a couple seconds to do that. Alright, let's see what it is. Yep. It's a Glock 17L. Go ahead and show that it's clear. Drop the mag. Probably gonna upset somebody doing this, but don't worry, they're gonna be alright. So yep, this is a Glock 17L, and the L stands for long slide. I'm probably interested in the sights that are on there. They're the, what are these called? Snake Eyes Ghost Ring, Lexan and Tritium, I believe. And yes, as I stated earlier, I have carried this concealed inside of the waistband, and it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. To give you a comparison, I'm going to put it beside my normal carry gun, my CZ75 Compact. I'm not going to handle it much because I keep this one hot at pretty much all times. So yeah, the 17L, that is a lot of gun. And it is a blast to shoot. That's a 6.02 inch barrel on there. And I'll probably show y'all that. So here's the barrel. Has some wear marks on the bottom there. Almost as long as the slide on my CZ75 Compact. See if I can get that to focus. Possibly could use a cleaning. See what looks like some brass deposits in there. Just a slide. So when I picked this gun up, I had to do it, y'all. I had to get the big stick. Before you say anything, that's actually what it was listed as in quotation marks on the Glock store website, and I just found that hilarious. That just looks awesome. Last thing I want to do before ending this video is give a shout out to Money Miser Jewelry and Pawn in Opelika, Alabama. There's some awesome guys to work with, and check them out. Tell them Marcus sent you. Y'all won't get anything for it, but I sent you. So that's pretty much it, y'all. If y'all like this content. I got more to come. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.